on Facebook like a couple weeks ago, and I've already been on his podcast. I've already given him more guests to be on his podcast.
Yes, he has.
He's here now getting experts, because that's what I do. I'm the expert of experts.
Yes.
Teach people how to do experts. Teach them how to make success easy.
Yes.
So he got on a plane and he flew here. He's like, I got to meet you
from
in
Washington,
person.
D.C.
So we're meeting in person. I feel like I've known you forever.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much for that plug. Oh, let me give you a hug. That was a plug. I'm going to tell them what's one of the reasons why folks should be at the next highly paid expert event. Like if they're watching right now, whatever they didn't make it. But they want to be a speaker.
Right.
They want to get paid.
Right.
They want to get on stages. They want to have the blueprint. I know I'm kind of walking. The blueprint to do it. What's one of the reasons why they should do it?
Well, you want to either compete with everybody, all the other speakers that are out there, or you want to position yourself as an expert. This is what I'm brilliant at. It's my gift, and I position people to own their expertise so they move miles past their competition. You get it all here. I teach you all 3 days. My feet are killing me because I've been on stage for already 2 days. I got another day to go.
First of all, she has more energy. She is super amazing. She's super
Who's telling about the energy? What's her energy?
No, she's being very humble. Now, like, I had the opportunity behind the scenes to watch not one person walk on that stage, not two people, but a number of folks that you've helped change their life. And what makes a huge difference, it's not about the money they're making, it's about the meaning they're having in the world. And that makes a huge difference. Now, what I admire most about Debbie Allen is that, yeah, she was on the show, and that was cool. And yes, all y'all watched. That was amazing. You only want to go viral so far, by the way. You made it. You made it. High five, high five. But it wasn't what happened on the camera. It was what happened off the camera. It was the call that we had afterwards. It was Debbie believing that she's going to give more than she received, and actually introduced me to your network. I got to introduce some high-powered folks who actually got on the show.
So I love sharing success, okay? A lot of people keep it to themselves.
Yeah.
Success is about, it's a flow, it's an energy, it's a feeling, it's an emotion, right? And so when you have that feeling, because you want that achievement, you want to share it with somebody else. And when you share it, it's like the universe, a cycle that comes out around you. Every more opportunities happen for you. Most people don't get that, you know? They don't get that. I gotta do that. And naturally I said, hey, Shay, you help me, I want to help you back. I just naturally do that. That's just the way you do business. It's just a good way of business. And you know that too, because you're all about building relationships.
All about relationships. The one thing that I know, and we'll close out, is I know that Debbie Allen believes in the giver's economy. And the person that outgives the competition, out-earns the competition. Let me say it again. The person outgives the competition, out-earns the competition. You've given, and you're getting, and it's a blessing to be here. I'm looking forward to the next one.
All right, and you feeling the energy, because we are in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Love
and we
Scottsdale.
are the only Marriott in the country that is on the Indian reservations, and this beautiful Indian behind us.
I had to bring Indian. Y'all know I had to bring Indian. I had to show Indian.
All the employees, when they were building this, did a piece of this. And there's actually initials and different things in different year. Everything is on here. They actually did a piece of this to create this beautiful piece of art. So we do feel the energy. We do feel spiritual energy. We actually even, had some spiritual energy coming down, happening today, because we know there's some magic what's going on in that room. We still got another day of magic.